the things that I really like about Buffalo State and our fashion department is the fact that we've been immersed in technology for over 15 years. And we've really grown the department based on the future of the fashion industry and where we can go from here.
The students get to learn hands-on working with special equipment that's industry specific.
You kind of dive into many different avenues of fashion, from merchandising, from designing, from CAD illustration, from styling.
Being able to see actual garments and physically handle garments, see how they were made.
It's like super satisfying when you create a pattern and then everything lines up when you sew it.
I really like seeing how my visions come to life.
Students have the opportunity to be involved in the department from the time they're freshmen on. We encourage everyone to make garments for our annual runway fashion show.
It's the culmination of your entire time.
It's a real-world learning experience. It sets them up for the level of professionalism that we want to have them leave Buffalo State with.
We had a special opportunity last year where we visited Vietnam. We got to immerse ourselves in the culture, network on a global level, and our students really got a good taste of what it's going to be like working for the fashion industry and really making their mark.
You know, I feel like when you're a student, you're not jaded by the world, right? Your creativity is not jaded. So what we see is just this absolute, like, you know, awesome creativity and almost like this journey.
We have state-of-the-art labs with state-of-the-art equipment so that they're prepared when they go out into the industry.
They're all working together towards this common goal.
There's no limits. I love that part.
Having someone be the woman or be the person that they wish to be just by putting on a simple garment is pretty rad.